Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the chart open, so start by selecting it and turning on data labels. This gives immediate numeric readouts. Once done, choose a label option that shows the Y value, or pick more data label options to display X and Y if available. Make sure the source data range is correct so labels match the plotted points. This first step avoids guessing and gives you exact point values quickly, which is essential before adding any markers or custom highlights. Next, create a dedicated marker by adding a small series using the exact X and Y cells for the point you want to find. Once the series is added, change its chart type to XY scatter so the marker aligns precisely on the axes. Then format the series. Choose a distinct marker shape, increase size, and remove any line. This method lets you place a visible, exact marker on the plot, so you can clearly identify the point relative to the original series and axis scaling. Finally, add a data label to that highlight series and link it to the worksheet cell using equals sheet name. Cell so the label updates automatically. Make sure the marker is on the correct axis pair. If it looks misplaced, adjust axis min/max or move the series to a secondary axis and rescale. A quick troubleshooting tip: if you can't see the marker, check series order, marker fill, and edge colors, and ensure the series type is XY scatter. That fixes most visibility or alignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.